Hey guys, welcome back to the Techy. Today we'll be showing you how to create your own face wall edit. First, select a background image, a brick wall in this case. Now go to Add Photo and add in an image of your preference. Decrease the opacity and place it on top of the background image. With the razor, remove the excess. Add in another image of your preference. Decrease the opacity for placement convenience. Adjust it onto the image. Increase the opacity. Now with the razor, remove the excess. If you made a mistake erasing, remember that you can always go back in with a brush. Click Done and save the image. For the next steps, we will be using the Lightroom app. Select Light and adjust the stats as per your liking. Save the image. So that's it for the tutorial. Thank you for stopping by at the Techy. Do subscribe and like the video and speak your mind in the comment section below on what you want to see next. Thank you for watching. See you all next time.